Hi, Leather Rokk here. See, I bleached my roots. Hope I did a good job. If not, I don't have time to wait 48 hours to retouch and then do my hair again. I have found a solution to the issue of not wanting to go to the beauty supply place to get some 10 volume peroxide for a developer to try out one of the new permanent purples I just bought. Guess what? I have, as anybody who does hair on the side would, I have a stash of bottles of different kinds of hair dyes and what have you, and this is a developer for a L'Oreal permanent hair dye. So, and this is 2.5 ounces, 2.5 ounces, 10 volume. So I am going to apply B2Z, Beyond the Zone, Rock On, Poppin' Purple, Poppin' Violet. And what I'm going to do, in case it's not as bright as I would like, I'm going to focus it on the back, and I'm going to leave some undone because the timing isn't any more than 30 to 40 minutes, which is an extremely short timing if you're a person that's used to using the semi-permanent vegetable-based dyes that I will soak in for, upwards of 8 hours if that was how long I slept, and I cannot tell you the last time that I slept for 8 hours. But this having a shorter timing because it's something you actually do mix with peroxide, if I do it mostly in the back so that if it's not bright enough for me, I could still put like punky colors purple in the front. Can you see that? Let me turn the light out. This will probably be what I'm going to put in the front. But that's what I'm going to do. Oh, and I wanted to show you the makeup that I am wearing today, with the exception of the mascara that I cannot find right now. I am using LA Colors. I'm using a palette that I just got, and I only used 2 colors out of it, and I actually broke one of my rules. I actually used an applicator this time. I used this blue shade and on the lid, very heavily on the lid, just for a ½ inch, and I used a tiny little bit of the dark blue in the crease to tie in with my shirt. For my lip color, I used LA Colors Lip Duo. I have to tell you, I can't stand the taste and the flavor, the smell. It smells like bubble gum. I find that really, really obnoxious. And I didn't use the gloss that went along with it because the gloss is doubly obnoxious. So, but those are the colors I'm using, and I'm using the NYX Purple Mascara over my eyebrows and as my mascara. I'm not wearing any other makeup. I'm just wearing skincare because I'm about to do some hair dyeing. I will talk to you soon. Oh, and before I close this, see that bell notification thingy? I would love it if you would join my family. Join my YouTube family. Tabby boy, hey, stop that. Subscribe, hit the bell notification, and you'll be let know when I make my next upload. Yes, we hear you, Pat. Talk to you soon. Bye.